Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all for stopping in. I appreciate y'all coming by. Hey, let me real quick, me and Mr. Bob at Gunters Garage, we did a little sticker trade. Check out his cool sticker. Ain't that cool? His wife wrote me a nice letter. Me and him have issues with handwriting, and so his wife was nice enough to do that. Mine ain't even nice enough to watch videos. So you got a good one. Hang on to her. I'll put that up on the sticker wall when we get through at the end. And I appreciate it, Mr. Bob. Jump on back on a Ratchet. Just out here and came across the one Chuck had sent me. Y'all know Chuck. His sidekick is 357Magdad, and now they sent me a project case. This old plum, and we're gonna see what we can do with her. So hey, y'all hang tight, and hope y'all hang with me. And man, I thank y'all all so much for coming by. Hope y'all have a good one and enjoy. Thank you. Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, I appreciate y'all stopping in. I don't know if y'all remember back some time ago, had a mail call, and 357Magdad was kind enough to send me this plum wrench. I'm thinking he was kind enough. He says it's a challenge, and boy, I believe it's going to be one. So I don't know. Let's see what we can do with it, I guess. That's coming out pretty easy, huh? He must have loosened them up. Old Chuck must have loosened them up for me. Teeth look good. Here's the part I'm not really excited about. Never excited about taking these things out. I think I'm gonna leave that there. I'm not gonna mess with that. That's just I bet I end up losing that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave that there, I believe. Got a little crack in it right there. All right, let's see. All right, so we got post wire brush, and the only thing it revealed is I don't think me and Magdad are big buddies like I thought. Old Chuck let him slip this one into me, and but man, look at all that gouge right here. And it looked like it had on and off. So this will be the last time we probably see those, because man, inside is clean and smooth, so shouldn't be any issue there other than getting it a little more cleaner. It's cool anyway. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can y'all see the indention of where the springs were. Catalog 17B suspects this is from 1939, and I believe I found rust and stuff in there from that area. I remember finding some rust that old on a couple other tools, and it matched it perfect. So anyways, here it is. That's the 5449. That was the number that we have right there. And I don't know that we're going to keep any of that. I'd like to keep that, and I may do it, but I don't think that. I don't know. We're going to see what happens. I've done sanded about all I want to sand, and here's how she come out. She still got some scars and bumps, and I just tell you, I just got tired of sanding. That's just as simple as that. The knurling and everything, that's about as good as I can get it right there. The on and off is gone, like I said. And then up in here, the gouge that was right in here, I didn't want to take this lever off, and I just didn't want to. So I didn't. And this little thing here must be pressed in there, because it never did come out, and I thought I was going to end up losing it, and didn't. But man, and I didn't want to go too far in here. I wished I'd measured the width of this thing, because I believe I thinned it down a lot, and it was certainly a challenge. Magdad and Chuck, I appreciate you sending it to me, and it was fun. It's probably the oldest. Well, I know for sure it's probably the oldest plumb tool that I have. I threw a little red in there. I'm out of my neon green, so I may go back and do that later at one point, because that's the color I like to use on mine. And but there she is. She sticks a little bit going back this way, but boy, she sounds great that way, don't she? So anyways, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I really did enjoy it. I'd get to a point and I thought, well, that's good enough, and then I just keep on. But she still got a little dings and stuff in her, but I think she's ready for a beauty pageant anyway, compared to what she was. So hey, thank y'all so much. And there's Batman. See you, Magdad and Chuck. I appreciate you, fellas. Hey, everybody, thank y'all all so much for watching, and well, y'all have a good one. Thanks. Hey, y'all go give these old guys a shout. I appreciate trading stickers with everybody. And we're gonna put yeah, most definitely go see Mr. Bob. We're gonna put him over here by Coldwood Cowboy. His cool sticker. So y'all go give him a holler and tell him I sent you. Thank y'all so much. Terrible video.